Hey everybody, got a cool bike for you to check out today. This is a 2004 Harley Davidson VRod. And I'm telling you, this is one little sweet bike. I'm very impressed with it. This has got the 1130cc motor, 110 horsepower, 5-speed manual transmission, got about 85 foot-pounds of torque. It's belt driven, it's got overhead cams, and it is liquid cool. I got the owner here, Tony, who I'm helping with marketing this bike. He does have a clear title. This is a private sale. I'm just doing the advertising, handling the inquiries for him. Tony, you bought this brand new at Mile High Harley way back in 2004.
It's kind of a way back when, but yeah, it was brand new. Bought it. Yep.
And how many miles do we have? We had 10,697 miles.
Right.
You've had a lot of fun with this bike.
You know, it's been a great bike. When I bought it, I knew I was buying something, pretty decent, and I'm pretty satisfied with it. But it's just time for somebody else to enjoy it.
Now, you're a big guy. Plenty of power on this. You put this nice double seat on here.
Yep, that's a touring seat.
And then you've got a windshield. Folks, I got a bunch more pictures of this bike on my website at nextstepprosales. Now, you said it's a snap-on windshield?
Yeah, it's just a snap-on. Just clips to the front of the deal there. You see these are the clip deals here.
Okay.
And then it kind of forks down in and then just clips right in right here, see?
Yeah.
Yep.
Easy, real simple.
Easy come, easy go.
Now, you've always garaged this. You've done your own oil changes on it.
Yep.
You just put a brand new battery in it.
Yes.
And the tires are Metzeler tires.
Correct.
You went with those because you heard they were good road tires?
Everybody's got pros and cons. I just felt that they were a little bit better than, I think it's Dunlop that kind of does.
Well, this is a super clean bike. I mean, you got one little scratch right here where you just barely scratched a fence.
Yeah, it was on a fence thing, and that was my bad. But
you gonna miss this bike?
Oh, definitely. And
you had some fun with it.
I do have a name for her, but I won't say it. So,
go ahead, say it.
Her name's Veronica.
Veronica. That's a good name for a bike. I like it.
Yeah.
Well, you want to start it up real quick so the folks can hear it roaring? Now again, this bike's located in Denver. My name is Eric. There's a bunch more pictures on my website at nextstepprosales.com. Now, showings are by appointment only, so you got to call me.
Yeah, let's see. Okay. Get the fuel injections.
Yeah, this got fuel injection.
Looks good.
Wow. That's got a nice, cool sound.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Give it a couple revs. Now going 60, 70 miles down the highway, how's this feel? Does it feel solid?
Yeah, it's a great road bike too. It's solid. You feel good with it. It responds well. It takes corners really well.
Yeah, it does have that bigger tire.
Really well in the mountains.
Yeah, you enjoyed riding up the mountain. Who doesn't around here?
Yeah, it's
I love that ride up the Netherlands, up Highway 72. That's a great ride. Yeah, beautiful.
Great ride, and it handles really well. So,
well, it sounds really good.
The center of gravity is low.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's about 24-inch height to your seat there.
Right. Go.
The handlebars feel real comfortable.
Very nice.
All right. Well, folks, give us a call, 720-660-3062. Remember, showings are by appointment. Going to need a 24 to 48 hour notice. And hopefully we'll see you here in Denver. Thanks for watching.